Okay, I got a lot of questions from you guys from last video asking how to actually close a door. So we're just going to start from where we left off last time. And I'm just going to back up, go back through the threshold. So now we have the door here again. What you want to do is that you can either grab the side like this, or you can grab the knob, whatever works. I'm going to grab the side this time. And you're just going to apply some gentle force. You know, some doors require a bit more force than others to close, but this one doesn't require that much effort. So you're just going to close the door here. So some doors you can probably get away with just closing it just like that with no other, requirements. But sometimes on some doors you'll need to grab the knob and then twist it so then it could cleanly go into the door frame. So then after you do that, you just let go. And this last part is optional. You can only do it if you want, but typically I like to lock the door just so people don't try and murder me when I sleep. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe.